Zamlin Sajo Kansane Pumi Zor Jube Konskiamgu Chimbuchola Temi Shuge Manzone, Pumi Lanmebe Uri Jino Konskiamgu Chimbuchoge Tsenye Sunjabdan, Gumbu Kani Chog Tola Nezui Shimi Lote Jube Shigen Sargan Kalia, Moguk Legu Chichi Nidu Beshi Vatar. Chinda Shibe Tse Chuguni Diga Suiski Tongi Zuri Nandu Manzo Tongra Gewo Duzum To. Nganzu tu kundu konskiamgu chimbuchodan lendu yue chebe byuzi bolya shiji chebe shibe komjugi legushik be naso.
Yomege tamzi uwashi neda nemu yinla nganzu chino konskiamgu chimbuchoji kuyu tosheda kuzi yuri nebe tashi mendu shunga shushuye.
Tiang Suista Liechtenstein Puri Mimagi Nijibo Sanye Sube Shungda Shungdimbe Sobu Kadang Dishin Seki Manzo Dongzha Yone Suis Zuri Chongki Nangi Weidmula Plaza Tangjine Zuri Chongki Nang Yube Suis Giyon Demdun Kang Palia Konskiamgu Chimbuchoki Gubardang Pyogi Gedar Kanyinsu Chardi Gyulam Tola Yana Mashun Zube Tere Sargang Kagi Konstalin Lama Chola Tsemi Kurdibdang Shimi Nizu Loti Chajoga Tsamjo Gui Sogi Muzi Gube Shokjang Keshin Lakbordu Legu Di Yune Sane Pimisu Ngone Tere Kani Chogi Tsenye Meba Sugyu Change Te Riglia Tachido Ngogu Yu Jebe Muzibo Shigi Chebe Shibe Komjugi Legu Dik Bena Yore.
We stand by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. We trust him, our faith remains stronger, and we are ever united to stand behind His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
To the government and the people involved behind this strategic defamation of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, our message is very, very clear. We will not stand down. We will not bow down to your pressure, and we will ensure that the message of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the calls of the Tibetans from within Tibet, spreads across the world, and the world listens to us, not just to your lies, but the truth, and the truth shall always prevail.
Well, about the Dalai Lama thing, I feel pretty frustrated because people, they don't understand what he did and they just see it wrong. So I'm just here to support it with my friends.
Inform themselves before they write any bad comments or any hate under any social media posts.
And as a youngster, I would like to say that the incident that recently happened is not something that should be defined like this. Our leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, has done so many sacrifices, and he doesn't deserve this kind of hate.
As a young person in exile, we ask not only the world, but also other readers of media and other peoples on social media to actually do their due diligence on their part and research on how or to what degree the CCP was involved in not only the sharing and the escalation of the video, but also in what they have done until now in the campaign of defaming His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
I follow the Buddhism for many years, but this is not the reason for what I'm here. I'm here to support something that I believe is it's important. It's like the people of Tibet and the Tibetans, because something that has happened has been misinterpreted in the general public, in the world, and it's a pity because those who know the Dalai Lama and know how he had acted for so long, so perfectly. And then what is the reason Dalai Lama now, suddenly 87 years old, would act in a way that is always look for the Chinese trying to find something? We know how in the past shook them because they could not find for so many years anything. So, and most important, regarding the shooting situation in the past, how it stopped when the media investigated what was the reason to go against Dalai Lama, and they found that one monk had to spoke that there were Chinese behind, even trying to kill Dalai Lama. This is when the demonstrators stopped. So, and now it's coming again. They find a little bit something that the public would use against the Dalai Lama and to go against the Dalai Lama. this is something we have to think, how vulnerable we are to these kind of things.
Thar shibe komtu legu nam zuri chongge nang ten shibe Swiss giyon temdu kangi dundang do dozum gi regun chogor gongi kher mochi zushu do sege mangso namne geve shabden dang joma tishin denzi melom so songdyo yang na yure zawe talen Swiss nang do mangso hajang dozum chube legu dini sanye pimisu ngone taba sanye do chube pimi dozum gi legu chishu shiliya munzi yang nang do Swiss Tongi Zurich ne Norway pyoge lungti kangi sargoba gadon wangzhane